cost effective.
For your house is over in the neighborhood, just flying in.
Oh my god!
Oh my god, that other house too. I was so nervous. I can't use it there.
This is insane! This is insane.
Just get a picture of it.
This is the center module right here, so I just clarified for him exactly what the front of the house was.
So you're putting it so you can get out of the way?
Yeah, I think so. There's your first floor bathroom there, Deb. That's what that window is right there, yeah. Too bad you can't take a shower in it while it's moving, yeah.
Shut the door. It's like a reverse tornado.
Yeah.
A reverse tornado.
These guys are pros, though. That's why they're.
I love seeing that exterior with the zip sheeting tapes and the windows. I know. It's so clean. It's quality control. Yeah, it's a great stopping point for these guys.
Who needs siding? We'll just sit it like that.
Actually, my brother makes that.
Really?
Yeah, he runs like factory with dope.
Did he give us a discount?
No, I didn't know we were.
Well, let's work out a partnership. Well, heck yeah, we're using it.
So he works for Huber Engineered Wood?
Yeah, that's amazing. We have their binder in our office. We use them 90% of our projects. That's amazing.
What's that little like indent we mix in?
That's just
No, where
Is that
there's
a
no
hallway or something?
what indent are you talking about?
That one right there, the void. There's
Oh,
the
that's
door
the,
and it's void. It's connected
That's
to
the little like that's
No,
gonna be the desk.
right over here, like clear from the end.
Oh, you talking? Oh, yeah. Those are chases for the ducts. I don't know why there's no insulation in that stud cavity though. I might just be filling that in. On set,
I think that we're.
But that's the back of the flex closet right there that you're looking at.
I thought they started that too. But what's that? Oh, people took off words for the eclipse. This is the way to take off. Yeah, that's just eclipse for me. Yeah.
That eclipse
comes to the reverse tornado.
Okay.
Well, when the thing was like spinning around.
Yeah, reverse sort of like Dorothy.
Yeah, it's like, Toto, we're home now. We're in Kansas again.
The other.
So, it's like over there yawning like